Good morning YouTube, Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So today is the day we start to change the system. As you can see, the Weco Battery is in here. That's the old Victron Phoenix is gone from the wall. I'll put the new LuxPower inverter here. I'll remove my Nissan Leaf batteries and I'll put the Weco, which is this Weco here, right there. Now I want to show you something that I have to do. As you all remember, the cables that come with the battery are 25 mm batteries, and you can see they have very little lugs. Same thing for the inverter, it uses this tiny little lug. So what I have on my system, however, this huge, as you could see, I think they're 17, and that's for my battery monitor, my BMV. So what am I doing? What I did today is I took a lug, one of these, and I hit it with a hammer and flattened it. Then after flattening it, I drilled a hole, and this is how I'm securing my battery, my new battery, to my existing hardware. So I hope this makes sense. So as I progress, I'll show you more. Right now I'm waiting for these batteries to charge to about 53 volts, which is a nominal voltage of 7.6 by individual battery cell of 4.25, 3.65. Currently the batteries are 52.3 volts. I'm running everything as it is, 52.3 volts. Once I see 53 or 54 volts, I'll disconnect the Nissan Leaf, and then I'll connect my Weco and start charging my Weco. So right now I am going to stop, and then when I connect the Weco, I'll do a video and show you. As you can see, there's a lot of mess of wires, my communication wires, my AC wires. I did the AWPS, which is the AC out. I did this yesterday. So this just plugs right into the inverter. So I'm pretty... Okay, YouTube, this is Dr. Solar. So as you can see, the Weco battery is powering the house. This is so exciting. I'm besides myself. So let me tell you what I did. As you can see, I have the positive and negative battery wires hanging off the wall. Like I told you, I crushed a log, drilled a hole through it, and then secured the wires that came from Weco onto the log, and then I was able to use it attached to my existing hardware, which is a bigger opening than what the cables that came from Weco is. Same thing on here, as you can see the size relative to what the Weco is. I had to change the settings on the charge controller, so bulk and absorption is 55.5, and I set float to 55.2 on both. So we have, right now, we're pushing in 1,130 watts into the batteries. I don't know if you can see that, I hope you can. Yes, you can. 1,170 watts into the batteries. That's what's going into the batteries right now. In terms of current, 21.6 amps is what's going into the batteries right now. So I can push up to, I believe, 70 amps into it, and I could pull up to, I believe, 70 amps. We're supposed to limit it because there's no BMS communications. Later today, I'll be installing the LuxPower inverter. I've done the AC side already. So once I'm done with making the mounting holes, I'll put it on there, and then I'll remove the Victron and put the power on the Victron onto the LuxPower. So the 1,800 watts I have upstairs will be running at a higher voltage of the LuxPower inverter. So I'm pretty excited. This looks much better than what I had before. You could see. Let me see if I go back and you could see, get a better view of everything. Yes, everything is within the same frame. So if you have any questions, please post them below. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you're here to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. This is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria.